Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West here. I don't know what I was going to talk about in this video, but I think I'm going to make a comparison between investing in crypto or playing the lotto. Which one is better? So, you know, um, this channel is about lotto systems. I haven't done any updates on that in a while, but I wanted to make a comparison about what is better, right? Investing in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and other cryptos, or playing the lotto. And I know I just said that. So, first of all, they're both risky. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. It means it's not governed by anyone. For example, Bitcoin really doesn't even have a leader. It's a math algorithm. It's a software that, updates, for example, every 4 years. It does a halving. So it's not governed by anyone. It was created. We don't even know the creator. We only know the name, Satoshi Nakamoto. It could be a group of, you know, coders. It could be an individual. Some people think it's an individual. Hasn't been revealed yet. Supposedly supposed to be revealed in the future, but I don't know. So it's risky because the volatility also is like super crazy at times. As a matter of fact, just recently there was a crash, a flash crash, which means it just went down for about like a handful of seconds on a Canadian pairing. I believe it was on the exchange Kraken. It went down to like $100 and then right back up to where it is today, which I'm not sure where it is. I just know it's not 100. I don't think anyway, because I haven't heard anything. So how cool would it have been to catch that crash or dip? But who would have known? And you only had like seconds. So, and then we go to the altcoins, which are these others, they call them altcoins, these other projects, which are basically startups, the majority of them, and they're as low as a few cents to a few dollars. I mean, they were higher than that, but during the last crash in crypto, they went down significantly. Nothing has gone to zero, and I'm kind of surprised, that nothing has gone to zero if some of these are indeed scams. And in a way, I think things going to zero will give the space more legitimacy, because some things maybe should go to zero. I don't know if some have, but not that I could think of, So super risky, but I think you all know the risks of the lottery, and the lottery is, we know the odds of the lottery. It's like 1 in a million or something like that. I always say I'm better off getting struck by lightning here at my desk, at the desk of Rafi West, than winning one of the major lotteries. I know someone just hit Powerball recently because I saw it reset now to 40 million. Very hard to hit the lottery. You got to be born under a lucky star, especially to hit one of the big ones. You can only give yourself an edge, which is what I teach in my systems on here. So another thing with lotto is, with crypto, if you're going to lose, most likely you're not going to lose that evening or that day or even that week sometimes, right? Because you're going to park your capital in one, and like I said, nothing has gone to zero. You may lose some, but you do that in the stock market when you take a position, right? You lose some, and that's how you find out if you're really in the game, if you have the balls to hang in there. Um, in Lotto, you usually find out that evening or for whatever drawing you played if you lost or not. And it's usually all or nothing with Lotto. Like, yes, there's smaller prizes, but you usually get behind pretty fast with Lotto. So, and I've even heard of some people refer to investing in crypto as see it as your Vegas money. Money that you're willing to lose, even though you should always treat investing as such. You know, a little less extreme in the regular stock market. These are companies that are reputable. Some of them have been around for a while. You kind of know that what's happening in the world, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, you kind of know that those large market cap companies have been thriving. Some hurdles along the way, but they've been thriving for the most part, especially Amazon. Amazon's like the biggest winner in all of this. So if I would have to pick what's riskier, even though my channel is about systems, I would have to say the lottery. Because most of the times you lose. In crypto, you can lose, you can be down big, you can be up big, um, but it's an interesting question, what's riskier, I wish I could do a poll on here and you guys can answer it. Okay, like what's riskier? Let's pick one from each market. Like let's say Bitcoin, BTC, Tesla, and the lottery. Which one goes to zero first? Which one collapses first? Um, you know, which one is riskier? It's obviously the lottery, I think. Maybe I'll do a poll on here, but then between the other two, Bitcoin and Tesla, which one is riskier right now? Tesla with all its challenges. See, now I got onto Tesla when this was only supposed to be a comparison about Bitcoin and the lottery. But so let's keep it at that. And if I do the poll, I do it. Maybe I'll do it on my Twitter. I do have a Twitter. I don't post that much. Maybe I'll do it on there. The poll. I had a poll on there recently, actually. Which event happens first? And it was like Bitcoin to 20K, the big earthquake in California, or the Mets win the World Series. So if you're interested in answering that poll even here, I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say. And also, what do you think? Cryptocurrency or the lottery? I have to go with the lottery is riskier. It's almost an instantaneous loss. So yeah, anyway, let me know what you guys think. I guess it's the gambler in me who likes these speculative things. There's a little gambler in me. I had family members. I still have an uncle. I remember growing up, he used to bring me to OTB all the time. Loved playing horses. Gambles. Maybe to this day, all that he can. Not good because I don't think he's ever been able to control it. I don't think he's ahead, things like that. So it's the little gambler in me who looks for excitement. Thank goodness I think I know how to control it a lot better than, relatives or people I've heard of in the past. But yeah, what's your take? What's riskier, cryptocurrency or the lottery? I don't know if that's a good comparison. You know, or answer the question: BTC or Tesla? What's riskier? If you had, let's say, 100,000, where would you put it? BTC or Tesla, or would you play a bunch of lottery with it? You know, let's leave it with that question. How about that? If you had six figures and you had to put it all in one place, where would you put it? BTC, Bitcoin, Tesla stock, or would you pool it all and play a almost like syndicate type pool for the lottery? And you could probably pool for a while. Okay, so let's say you could pool for like 12 months of lottery pools. Which one would you do? Leave it in the comments. This is Rafi West. Just an interesting speculative question. May the gambler in you answer it. All right, I will talk with you guys another time. And be well, everybody. All right? Peace.